The next question, we just had to write a function to calculate the factorial of a number. Now to recap, if you don't know, factorial 5, well this is right 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, which is 120, right 7 is going to be this. And yeah, factorial of 1 is 1, also factorial of 0 is 0. So right, we want to call this with an integer number as a parameter, then we want to calculate and return the factorial of the number, and also return -1 if the number is negative. Okay, so yeah, let's just try and write this. Let's go function, this will be factorial. Right, let's call it n, this will be type integer, and let's go returns. And here we will just return an integer. Now, let's say we want to declare, and this will be the sort of current value. Because if you think, right, first we'll do 1 times 2, then we need to store this value. Then we multiply by 3, store that value. So yeah, we need a kind of a current total, right, or current value. Now, I think the first one it said, just check if it's negative. So, right, if n is less than 0, right, then we just want to return -1. Right, let's go end if. Now, sometimes I do also see people doing this where they go, I guess, yeah, if n equals 0, right, or if n equals 1. And, you know, then they just go, well, return 1 like this. Now, this is also okay. However, the method that we use, we shouldn't need to do this. Alright, so yeah, let's just see if we can do it. Right, I think let's also, yeah, okay, let's just initialize this val to 1. Because, I mean, this will kind of be the value, right, if it's 0 or 1, right, the factorial will just be 1. And then what we want to do, we want to say 4, and this can be the number we're multiplying by. Now, we actually don't need to multiply by 1, because, you know, 1 times 1 is just 1. So here we can actually start this at 2. So let's go multiply by. Right, this will start at 2, and then we will just go, well, 2n, right, the number of sort of factorial that we're doing. And then here we just want to multiply the value. So this is right, this will be the current value, and then multiply by, you know, the new number we're multiplying by. Right, then if we just go next, and I think, yeah, then we can just return. Right, and then let's try end function. Now let's actually test this. So we'll just have a for loop. Let's go from maybe 0, and we'll just go to 10. Right, then let's just output. So we'll output n. Let's also just output the colon like this. And yeah, we'll just output factorial. Okay, so let's see if this works. Right, expected identifier. Okay, so yeah, that's here just on this next, I forgot next n. And let's try run it again. Okay, yeah, so this seems to work, right? 0 is 1. I mean, let's also try, like, you know, -3. Yeah, okay, so we get negative, right? Yeah, 0 and 1 and 1. And then, yeah, then these all seem correct. Right, guys, so again, hope this makes sense, and hopefully see you in the next video.